Morning, YouTube. Rumble. Oh. Grab your cup of Joe. Let's go. Tuesday, 30 degrees. 8:33 in the AM. And just a hint, ever so slightly, snow on the ground after we had severe storm warnings all night long. 7 to 9 inches of snow by morning. That's the job I should have had. Make lots of money to be wrong. Oh. Well, I'm going to touch on one of Uncle Willie's favorite subjects, and that's the YouTube Studio app. Yesterday, I got a little notification. Ding. I opened it up. It says, you have reached 2,000 views. I'm assuming that's collectively on all my videos from the past however many years. You can now receive hints on making better videos. Yeah, good luck with that. So I looked. One of the subjects was, you can answer questions that you haven't answered. I'm like, well, I try to answer everybody. Well, so I looked. They went back like 5 years, 2 years. And they're right, I didn't answer them because I never knew I got those comment replies. So if I've offended you by not answering your question from 5 years ago, I apologize. Blame it on YouTube. One of the questions was, how come we don't see Miss Julie? Well, let me answer that. Her choice. She didn't want to be. I didn't push the issue. You guys got to hear her talk during some of the videos. So there you go. I just don't understand. Well, it's Tuesday, so you know where I'm going to be heading shortly. Oh. Man, the wind was blowing last night. The doors were rattling here. You would have thought we were being invaded. When I went to leave here to go to bed, snow was beating you in the face. And I'm thinking, hey, this could be a bad one. Got up this morning and opened the door, looked out, and I still see grass with a hint of white. Six days away from Christmas. Woo! Whoopee. My one son that drives truck, he was texting me, how much snow you got? I had to answer him. I said, none. I said, it's snowing, but it ain't sticking. He said, good, because he didn't want to have to go to work today if it was sloppy out. I laugh at him. I'm like, dude, if you seen some of the crap I drove in when I was working, you'd have a stroke. Oh, wait, I did. I forget what it was. Somebody commented that time to put on the tire chains. Nah. I was always under the belief that if I needed tire chains to go, I didn't need to go. Never chained up in my life. Carry chains because some of the states you're in, you're required to have chains, but you're not required to use them. I got to the point where that time of the year I stayed down south. We had a customer that would run between Tampa and Dallas, and if you timed it right, you could do that 3 times a week with a day off in between. So that's what I would do. Oh, well. I'm just waiting for the job of Jake's to kick in here, and then I'm going to be rolling out, getting my breakfast. Swing by the gun shop, pick up some ammo. That's about it today. The rest of the day will be slacking. I think that's it for today. I'm pretty sure I covered everything. I'm gonna get me one of them little index card thingies that Uncle Willie uses, and I'm gonna start making notes. Alrighty. Hope you're well. Hope you're safe. Every day's a school day. If you're not learning, you are being left behind. Go be kind. It's Christmas. Make somebody smile. Peace. See you soon.